All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back with our end of day post wave report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from postwavetrading.com, home of the world famous post wave price trigger reports that we get out to you daily. All right, so as you know, we had the CPI numbers to come out and retail sales and all that stuff, and your unemployment claims. And then tomorrow we got even more. We got stuff coming out in the 8:30 hour, 9 o'clock hour, 10 o'clock hour. This is the week that just won't quit with all the reports. I don't think it matters what the reports say though, because as you know, the reports are bad. I mean, things are not going very well. They'll try to put a spin on it, tell you everything is just great. It's not just great. All right. We are staring down the barrel of hyperinflation. Food and energy are just inflating to no end. And they're going to tell you that everything's all right. Everything's on track. It's not on track. So let's see what to say of the algo charts. Well, if you look at the Bitcoin futures chart, you will see here that we have been getting some steady upside production. And the market's going to try to make it back up to the 28,450 over the weekend. If it doesn't, hit smash into a wall, we'll see what happens because the bottom of the Kumo cloud is not too far away. All right. And that's the initial upside target. So hopefully the market will be able to do it tomorrow before the close. I don't like to hold Bitcoin or Ethereum futures contracts over the weekend unless I'm deep in trend. And as you can see here, this is not deep in trend. All right. So you got to, be prepared to take quick profits and pivot quickly. All right. Next up, we got XRP Ripple. All right. So this one had the rally alert too. You got a slither of upside production, but you got the green bullish trend momentum reading. So this one should also try to rally more over the weekend, getting back up to at least over 50 cents. That would be really helpful, wouldn't it? Next up, we got wheat. Wheat has the bullish trend momentum reading yet again. Had the rally alert coming into today. You didn't get any upside production, narrow range inside day. So this should set up for the technical bounce tomorrow. Next is your soybeans. And you can see that the soybeans, if the chart will ever flip over, that would be helpful, wouldn't it? Computer stalling again. I'm rough on a machine. All right, so the soybean charts is still locked in bear market. Nothing to see here. Expect lower prices. All right, and looking at corn. Corn was neutralized coming into today, but now we got a bullish, all right, trend momentum reading and a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading for corn. It's going to try to make it back up here toward the 570, 550-ish level. Looking at silver, bad day for silver. Silver, I told you it was going to test the $22 handle. All right. 22 even is support. Can support hold up, or is silver going to come crashing right through it? I don't know, folks. It's looking bad. You're in a free fall status in silver. Nat gas still neutralized, still in a bear market. And the Dow. So, even with today's little rally, how the market got above the Kumo cloud and everything, we still got a bearish trend momentum reading, and that simply means sell rallies. You're still in sell the rally mode. All right. The trend has not reclaimed the price action yet. If it did, we would not have a bearish trend momentum reading here. It would be a bullish one. All right. Yes, the market is technically bouncing off the support lows, but you're not back into the trend yet. All right. Now, if the market breaks out into new highs without flipping over the trend momentum reading, that's even more telling. All right. So we're going to wait and be patient and wait for our opportunity to short it again. All right. It's just what it is. I don't make the rules. I just play by them, Also, real quick, Notice how the market, it did get to 35,320. All right. Just want to make that known there. Okay. So this is looking interesting as far as what the market may or may not do. We shall see. All right. Looking at the NASDAQ 100, same thing. Bearish trend momentum reading. All right. Sell the rally mode. And you had a crash alert coming into today, but you didn't get any downside production. But today is just day one. So you're still under the auspices of a crash alert in the NASDAQ 100. Gold futures, not a good day for gold today. Getting closer and closer to that 1900 key psychological support. If it breaks it, you go into free fall, and I'm expecting gold to fall hundreds of dollars. S&P 500 had that negative bot check yesterday. Don't forget that. It's imminent that a big down move is coming in your S&P. You're in the sell the rally mode here too, so don't you forget that. Next is crude oil, wide open, man. It broke $90 a barrel today. It's wide open. Bullish trend momentum reading. Yeah, you started into the beginning stages of a bull market. Is that what's going to happen? Is oil going back up to 100 and then 130? I don't know. It's looking like it may. It's looking like it may. All right, the euro. So the euro broke support. That was a key technical support, and it broke it. Now, this is the dangerous part I was warning you about. We are now in free fall mode in the euro. The euro is now in danger of falling below par, folks. Beginning stages of a bear market have already begun, and that is not good. That is not good. The euro is in trouble. Trouble. We knew this was going to happen because we had this negative bot check back here, and we knew that big down move was coming, and here it is. Next up is the pound sterling, faring no better. You're in a free fall status right now, and it hasn't started the pre-stages of a bear market yet, but it's getting there, folks. It's getting scary here for the pound sterling. Next is the Aussie. The Aussie is trying to defy and buck the trend of the other two. You got a bullish trend momentum reading. You had the rally alert, and you've been getting upside production. The market's going to try to make its way back up here to the bottom of the Kumo cloud, and that should get it around, we'll say 66. Yeah, it's going to try to get it back up to the 66 handle. Let's see if it can do it. Russell, getting close to taking out support here. Key support. Bearish trend momentum reading. The market is technically in a free fall status below the Kumo cloud, and it's starting to look a little ugly here for the Russell. Looking a little ugly. Copper is still in a locked in bear market. Expect more downside to go, and you put in a negative bot check yesterday. A big down leg is coming in copper. Next up is Ethereum futures, bullish trend momentum reading. Got a little bit upside production from the rally alert 2 days ago. The market's going to try to make it back up here to that 1835 level. So be prepared for that. All right, folks. So that is what we got going on. Tomorrow's government reports will be very telling. We'll see what the word on the street will be tomorrow morning. So the 8 o'clock hour, the 9 o'clock hour, the 10 o'clock hour, we got mad reports coming out. And I know it can be a little overwhelming to take in all that content, all that information, but it's going to be key to the direction of the markets. The markets are trying to buck trend, but as long as you got, remember what I always tell you, as long as you got a bullish trend momentum reading, you can expect prices to go higher. But as long as you got a bearish trend momentum reading like you have in the stock indices, you have to expect prices to go lower. So 8:30 tomorrow morning, New York Eastern Standard Time, you got the U.S. import prices, Empire State Manufacturing Survey. At 9:15, you got industrial production, capacity utilization. And then at 10, you got a whopper, consumer sentiment. Yeah, yeah, those are all market moving situations, folks. So you want to be ready for any and everything tomorrow, okay? And with that being said, remember the system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Smash that like button, and I'm out. Peace.